Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. I don't think I've seen a more moist cake. This is the chocolate cake of your dreams. Only 2 eggs, a no fuss cake that is so easy to make and so moist and good. Let me show you how to make it and let's get started. In a clean bowl, I'm gonna mix the dry ingredients. They're pretty simple. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of Dutch processed cocoa, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix the dry ingredients very well with the whisk. I'm gonna set aside and work on the wet ingredients. I'm gonna start with 2 extra large eggs. These eggs weigh about 70 grams each. I'm using the mixer here, but you can absolutely use your hand for this recipe. Do all the mixing by hand, but I love to whip the eggs with the sugar this way. I add 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Whip until light and frothy, about 2 minutes. It's gonna look something like this. I'm gonna add the vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Turn off the mixer and add the rest of the ingredients. 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of a good strong coffee. This is gonna intensify the chocolate flavor. You're not gonna taste the coffee, but it's gonna make the chocolate cake taste great. You're gonna add 1 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you can absolutely use milk. You can add 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice to the milk. Add it on top of the batter. All the wet ingredients are in. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. I mix just until combined. I don't overmix the batter. Just make sure everything is well incorporated. And as always, if you're liking my recipes and want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. It's very important to grease the pan very well with butter and flour. You don't want the batter to stick because the batter is on the liquidy side. And you can totally use square pan or round pan. I'll say 9-inch round pan is great. 7-inch square pan is great as well. We're gonna bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Mine took 35 minutes in the oven, but you need to check it. If a toothpick comes out clean, that means it's ready. You can serve with chantilly cream, berries, or you can serve with a great chocolate sauce. I basically made a chocolate ganache. I'll leave the recipe in the description box below. For this particular chocolate ganache, I mixed in equal amounts of semi-sweet chocolate, sweet condensed milk, a little bit of butter, and some coffee. I let them melt and come together slowly over a double boiler. This sauce is rich and smooth and so good. And the chocolate cake is so moist. I really hope you give it a try soon. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And check out the rest of my chocolate cakes. I have so many on my channel and they're all great. And until next time, bon appétit!